All right, guys, we got us a 2010 Ford F-150 XLT 5.4 liter Triton. Really nice truck. Got factory converters there and there. Wise into a single there. Then 3-inch pipe into a FLOWMASTer Super 44 9430462. As you guys can see, 3-inch to 2.5. Then 2.25 tailpipes out the back into some beautiful 5-inch tips there and there. Because why not? This sounds better, looks better. There's the muffler, there's the tailpipe that were on it. It had to go, man. Got to make it look good and sound good. There it is, dudes. FLOWMASTer Super 44. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And hit that notification button. Much better. Sound decibels? Again? Again? Right at 100. Matches the wheels nicely. I like that. Tip. That's the look. That was the look he's going for. Much better, so much nice and deeper. Let you guys hear on the inside.